You should remember, make me remember earlier. Okay, okay. Thank you, Adrita. Then 13, 13. Continue, Maimuna.
Sir, I read.
Yeah, what's the answer of this? You finished writing 12?
Yes, sir.
Now 13.
Sir, can I say?
Very easy. Let us say, let us say. Maimuna,
Yes, sir. Is it EMF?
read the question. Read the question loudly.
Which physical quantity is produced by a calculation where charge is multiplied by a potential difference?
Okay, so charge multiplied by potential difference. So what is the relationship of charge potential difference? Can you see? Hello? Potential difference. You
Yes, sir.
take the definition and formula of potential difference in your notes quickly and tell us.
Sir, I don't have all the notes, but there's no formula.
What's written in the statement of potential difference? Say the statement or definition quickly, then you can find it formula.
Um, Potential difference is the scientific name of voltage. The work done per unit is convert unit
Mhm.
charge to convert electrical energy to other forms of energy through an electrical component.
So that's potential difference, right? Potential difference is uh,
Yes, sir.
work done per charge, you said, or energy per charge, you said.
Work, work done or energy.
Work done or energy. Okay. So work done or energy divided by charge, right? That's potential difference, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if you rearrange it,
Yes,
then
sir.
it comes charge multiplied by potential difference. What it comes then? Like in our
Energy.
yeah, energy, it's come energy, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So Adrita, you raised hand
Yes, sir.
for answering this or any other question you
Yes, I
have.
wanted to answer.
You
No, for
wanted to
answering
answer
this.
it. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
thank you. Thank you. You wanted to answer. We actually want Maimuna to get involved because she was absent in last class. That's why I'm trying to give her input. Okay, because you see, she is saying the answer that's not matching, and she needs the concept to be clear. Then 14, Maimuna.
Yes, sir. Three 10 ohm resistors are connected together to form network X, Y, and Z. What is the order of resistance of the networks moving from the smallest total resistance to the largest total resistance?
It's very simple. It's very simple. We did at least two questions, right, regarding this resistance calculation.
Yeah,
The
so
first
first we have
one,
to find the totals, right?
yeah, total, and it's very simple. If you just look at the circuit, you will understand which one is the biggest, which one is the smallest, and which one is Medium. You can understand. From the circuit, you can understand easily. Which one is series? That is the biggest, right?
Yes, sir.
And which one is parallel? Yeah. Which one is all parallel? That one is the least, right? And which one is both parallel and
Yes, sir.
series combination mix up? That one will be middle one, right? So you understand it. So which one is the biggest here?
Sir, why?
Y, yes. And which one is smallest?
Z.
No, no. Smallest will be X. The parallel one becomes
X.
always smaller.
Yeah.
Here all three are parallel, so it will be the smallest. Got it?
Your voice is cracking.
So your voice is lagging.
Yeah, it's lagging because one direct call came. That's why I cut it. Okay, so
I
what
think the answer is C.
you think the answer is C? Which one is they are saying biggest, right? Largest,
Smallest to biggest.
yeah, smallest to largest. So smallest one is X. You already
X,
said
Z,
yeah,
Y.
smallest one you said X, right?
Yes, sir. It's B. Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh. So you calculate it, you will get the same. Like if you calculate for Y, it will come 30. Okay.
Mm.
Then for Z, if you calculate it, it will come 15 because 10 and 10 parallel, it will be 5. 5 plus 10, it is 15. Got it? How to calculate?
Yes, sir.
Then for X, 10 and 10 is 5.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. What it comes? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. So it comes 0.5 plus 1, 0.1. It comes 0.6. So 1 by 1 by 0.6. What is the value? Hello? 1 divided by zero point
Sir,
0.6.
could
What
you repeat?
you see here 10, right? 10 and 10, if you are doing, that's coming 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two identical
Yes,
resistors, if they are in parallel, their combined resistance will be half of their single resistance. Okay. Is it clear? So 10 and 10, it will be 5. Then another 10 in parallel. So
yes, sir. I remember.
also 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10.
It's 15.
It's coming 1 by 5 means 0.5. 1 by 10 means 0.1, right? So it's coming 0.6, right? So
Yes,
if you
sir.
reverse it, then it will
Yes,
be
sir.
parallel combination. So if you reverse 1 by 0.6, what it comes? Calculator. It comes 1.66, right? Very small value, right? What is coming? Parallel combination. Did you calculate it? Hello? Hello? You calculate it. 1 by
Yes,
1
sir.
by 5 plus 1 by 6. What is come? Did you take? Mahi, have you
Yes, sir.
calculated this? Parallel combination 1 by
Um,
5
yes,
plus
sir.
1 by 6. What it
It's
comes?
So 0.3.
0.366.
Okay, 0.366. Then if you reverse it, then what it comes?
So 3.
3. So here you are getting 3. Here you are getting 30. Here you are getting 15, right?
Yes, sir.
So numerically also you got the proof, and if you see the circuit, you can understand it easily now. Sometimes you do not need to do even numericals, right? When you do lots of numericals and you are very much expert, that time if you see the question, you can tell the answer quickly by 10 seconds, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So 15 now. Maimuna, 15.
A power supply of 18 volt is connected to three resistors as shown. What is the potential difference across the two resistors?
Okay, so you can get it, right? How will get it? Hmm? You have to,
Sir, I'm pretty confused about this one.
this one is very easy. First, you find the total resistance. What is the total resistance?
Sir, sir, 18.
How it is? You see, 8 and 8, they are parallel, right? They are identical and they are
Oh, yes,
parallel.
sir.
So their combination will be 4, right?
4. Yes, sir. 4.
And 4 plus 2,
6.
6.
6. So the total resistance is 6 and total voltage is 18. What will be the total current? Hello? V equals IR, right? What will be the
Yes,
total
sir.
current?
Sir, 3.
V equals IR. So I equals V by R, right?
Yes, sir.
V is 18, then 6. Yeah, 3. 3 ampere is your current, and that current will go through 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because it is in series, so it will get the whole current. And this one is in branch, like 8 ohm, 8 ohm. They will share equal amount of current, right? So 3, they are asking you about the potential difference across 2 ohm resistors. So here potential difference you can calculate from the current and resistance, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the current just now you told? 3.
Sir, 3.
So 3 multiplied by 2, isn't it?
Sir, 6. Yes, sir.
You understood how to get the voltage across 2?
Yes, sir.
This is the way. You have to first find the current, and you know the now resistance, then IR. Okay? V equals IR. That's it. Okay, our till 15 MCQ all are done. Now we'll do some structured questions. Now it's Adrita's part. Adrita, can you read the structured part?
A student sets up a circuit shown below on the model. The electromotive device of the battery is 6 volts. The resistance of the variable resistor X is set to 1.8 ohms. Determine the total resistance of the circuit.
Yeah. Determine the total resistance of the circuit. How will get the total resistance of the circuit? Like before, just now we did, right? Just previous question we did. So X and 3.6, they are in parallel. What is the value of X is given? 1.8, right?
Yes, sir.
So calculate what is the total resistance of the circuit. So what's your answer? Anrita,
For calculating.
calculating. All of you calculate. Do it. Very simple. Just previous question idea you use. You have two resistors in parallel. You calculate the parallel resistance, then add with the series one. That will give you total resistance. Quickly do. Hello.
Sir, I got 4.
You got 4. Total resistance 4. And for the parallel one, what you got?
Then
Parallel
I got
part.
6.5. 6.5.
Parallel part, what you got? This part?
1.2.
1.2. Then 1.2 plus 2.8, it comes 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So what about Mahi and Maimuna? Have you got it? How the answer is one? How the answer is 4 ohms?
Sir,
Yeah, you are. Say
sir, how do we find the parallel if they're not like the same?
again. Say I did not understand your question. Say
Do we just plus the three of them?
why you will plus? Because here they are not in series. 3.6 and 1.8 they are in parallel. You calculate first parallel part like this. Previous one, what we did. What we did here in the previous MCQ, we first got the parallel part resistance, that is 4 ohms, right? 8 and 8, they are in parallel, their combined resistance is 4, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying. It was the same
4
number,
plus
8 and
2.
8.
So 8 and 8, same number, no problem. You just use the formula. You got the parallel formula, that one you use. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Then you get the reverse of the answer. Okay, what is coming?
Sir, 0.833.
0.833. You have to reverse it because 1 by Rp equals this. So Rp will be reverse of it. 1 divided by 0.833. You see what is coming?
Sir, 1.2.
Yes. So this part is 1.2 and this part
And
is
then plus.
added with 2.8. So it's coming 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you write here,
Yes, sir.
in your worksheet, you have to write here 2.8 plus 1.2 equals 4 ohms. Got it? Any questions here, Maimuna?
Yes, sir.
So you understood or you have any queries here?
No, I understood.
Then Abdita, continue this.
Sir,
Hmm.
I have a severe headache.
Huh? Severe headache.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. From when?
Before the class started.
Oh, so I'm sorry, you did not inform us before. Fine. Mahi, you tell us what is the current measured by the ammeter?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
Hmm.
sir, can I leave now? I'll watch the recording tomorrow.
Sure, sure. Go. No
Sir,
problem.
okay.
Take care. Okay, Mahi.
Sir, I'm doing the calculations.
Maimuna, are you doing same way you'll do? Just MCQ 15 we did. That's that same thing.
Sir, 1.5.
1.5. How?
Sir, I equals V divided by R, so 6 divided by 4.
6 divided by 4. You have the 6 volt and total resistance is 4, right? So
Yes, sir.
6 divided by 4, it's coming 1.5. Correct. Very good. Then, Maimuna, you understood it? How he got 1.5? So,
Yes, sir.
we are doing the rest part. B1. Maimuna, tell us the answer of B1. Yeah. Can you read, Maimuna?
Sir, potential difference.
Yeah, yeah.
State
State
what
what
is
is
meant
meant.
by the potential difference across a component in a circuit.
Yes. Then you say,
Potential difference is the scientific name of voltage,
hmm,
the work done per unit charge to convert electrical energy to other forms of energy
very good.
through an electrical component.
Very good. So we are done with this part also. Now, next, continue, Maimuna. Hmm. Maimuna, can you read next part? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
A circuit contains a 7.5 V DC
No, no,
power
no, no,
supply
no,
and
no,
three resistors.
no. This part, two. Add to figure 1.1. Up.
Okay. Add to figure 1.1 the symbol for a component that is measuring the PD across 2.8 ohm resistor. The resistance of
Wait,
X is
wait, wait.
increased. Explain why
Finish,
the PD
finish,
across the
finish
2.8
this part.
resistor decrease.
First, finish that drawing
Uh,
part. Then you come to three, last part. Okay. So add to
So
figure.
we have to draw another
Yeah, we have to draw what component. Okay, component
yeah.
to measure potential difference. So which component we use for measuring potential difference? Which
Sir,
component?
V,
We should
voltmeter.
say voltmeter. We should
Voltmeter,
say
sir.
voltmeter. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what you have to draw a voltmeter across across 2.8, the 2.8 ohm resistor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we draw it. How we'll draw? You know how to draw it
Yes, sir.
across. They said across. So across means parallel, right?
Yes, sir.
Parallel to which circuit? Parallel to
Sir,
2
parallel
point,
to 2.8 ohms.
yeah, 2.8. So you go with that. Go for parallel drawing here. This is called across, okay? Parallel. And we should give here voltmeter symbol, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, done, huh? This part, drawing part is done. Now, after drawing, what we have?
Um,
Yeah, the resistance of X is increased. Is explain why the potential difference across the 2.8 ohm resistor decreases. Okay, this one will be your homework. Okay, this part
okay, sir.
you think of. We will say you the answer in our next class on Thursday, right? Our next class will be on Thursday, 9 o'clock. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So, question number
Yes, sir.
two. Question number two also will be your homework. Question number one, last part, 1B3, and question number two, structured part is your homework. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we whatever we did, one thing we can do by this time, that is you can send me the notes on topic 19 and 20, right?
Yes, sir.
You can send me the notes on writing notes on topic 19 and 20. So I will give you time till Wednesday. Okay, by Wednesday we will submit the notes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Sir, I think so. I submitted.
You can submit or you
No,
already
sir. I think
submitted.
so. I submitted already.
Okay, I'm checking. So if it is submitted, it is fine. Otherwise, they are still not done. They will submit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Maimuna, Allah Hafiz. See you.
I love it, sir.